Hello, Post Road scientists. This is Mrs. Cook. I am here to review some vocabulary work with you today. As you know, you are going to be coloring these flower vocabulary cards and learning some different vocabulary. So I just wanted to walk through the vocabulary with you. So the first thing I wanted to tell you about is the stamen. The stamen is the part of the flower that makes pollen. Pollen is the part of the flower that makes seeds when combined with the flower's eggs. This part of the flower is called the pistil. That part makes the eggs that eventually grow into seeds, which mix with the seeds are in the pollen, and that's how we can get new flowers. Then, in order to pollinate a flower, which I hope that you have watched that video, and if you have not yet, you will, about pollination, we've got the petals. Petals of a flower attract insects to the flower for pollination. And then all of this together is the flower, which is the part of the plant that makes the seeds. Pollination is the process of moving pollen from a stamen to a pistil so that a plant can make seeds. And you'll learn about the role of honeybees and also birds in pollination and wind as well. But there are a lot of different ways that flowers can get pollinated. So as you're thinking with your scientific hat about the different parts of a flower and how those parts of the flower and how those parts of the plant help it survive, I want you to think of the role of all of these different parts. The flower, the petal, the stamen, the pollen, and the pistil, okay? And just think about what each of those parts, what the function of each of those parts is and how they help the plant survive. After you've studied these for a little bit, so what I think is kind of cool is you can cut these out and you can make yourself a matching game, all right? And you can see I like to color code, so I did that with the cards. Once you're done with that, as a brief review, we've got this anatomy of a flower, all right? So after you watch the video of Scientist McGuire and I dissecting a flower, we want you to go through and figure out and identify each part of the flower and then color it, okay? So you'll figure, okay, what part makes the pollen? Is it the petal? Better say no. But then you would write the proper answer in the box from the word bank. Stamen, pollen, pistil, and petal. And then the whole thing is a flower. All right, scientists, we hope you enjoy our dissection, which will be the next video. And off you go.